Hey guys, this is Tejas from Tech Gadgets Tips. Today we are going to unbox the Ambrane Power Bank. So let's start this video. Here we have this package form Flipkart. It feels something like solid and heavy material used to build this power bank. So let's open it. As we can see, there are some promotions and a power bank wrapped into protection cover. Here we have some information about the products launched under Ambrane brand. We can see here some headphones, speaker, smartwatch and a fitness tracker. On the back side we can see various types of power banks ranging from capacity of 2000 mAh to 26,800 mAh. Similarly, Ambrane provide other products such as chargers, smart cables and earphones. If you are interested in any of these products, I have given their links in the description below. Let's move towards the user manual. As we can see, we have given some operating instructions regarding the power bank. The instructions are given in both Hindi and English language. I suggest to go through it once before using the power bank to know the best possible operating ways to use it. So here is the actual package. So here is the actual package. As we can see, some information is coded on the packet of power bank. It says rapid charging, but let me tell you that don't misguide it with fast charging because it doesn't support it. Again, one thing, this product is purely made in India. Here they provided 8 features of this power bank. Hope you can clearly see it. Below they mention product details such as model number, weight and manufacturing date. So here is the actual product. This is the USB to normal charging port cable, and they didn't provide any AC adapter. You should need to use your own. It has the input value of 5 volts, 1.5 ampere and output value of 5 volts, 2.1 ampere. This power bank has the strong built-in quality with elongated octagonal shape. It is equipped with multiple chipset protection that enhances its security. It has dual output USB charging ports which can charge 2 devices simultaneously. This lithium-ion operated device is also temperature resistant. It has 4 LED lights, which indicates the charging status of the battery. It also features with the torch light having bright light amplification and operated on stored energy power of the battery. Talking about some key specifications, this is a lithium-ion battery which weighs about 300 grams and it has the energy capacity of 10,000 mAh. Talking about the warranty of product, it has the 1-year domestic warranty with more than 10 service centers in a city. So this is all about the unboxing of Ambrane Power Bank. The product is really value for money and is the best gadget you could go with. The actual MRP of this product is 1799 Rs, but I have purchased it for only 799 rupees from Flipkart. So hurry, offer is for limited time. I have given the link in the description below. So thanks for watching. Do a like and subscribe to our channel for the tech reviews in future like this. Thank you.